How to treat tooth decay. Gum disease, tooth decay, or bad breath have nothing to do with how good your oral hygiene is, but with predatory bacteria buried deep inside your gums, eating at your roots and spreading like a plague to your throat, nose, and airways. And, no matter what your doctor tells you, not even the deepest cleaning treatments can reach and destroy these bacteria that are tirelessly lurking inside your mouth even when your teeth seem fine. But, once you'll find out what you can do about it, not only will you have the power to get rid of your bleeding gums, bad teeth, and bad breath once and for all, but you'll also never have to face a dentist for horrifying procedures again. Because this solution is so simple that you can use it right now in your own home in less than 60 seconds. And so incredibly powerful that it has been clinically proven to work regardless of your age, medical condition, or the severity of your tooth decay.